हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू MR स्टडी पॉइंट। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं इंग्लिश क्विज 30 क्वेश्चंस, ऑल द बेस्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द हाउस वॉज बिल्ट डैश माई ग्रैंडफादर। यू हैव टाइम फॉर 10 seconds. You can answer it, or if you want to solve it in long time, so you can pause your video. Answer is by. Don't forget to subscribe. Question number 2. He didn't dash to help us. Correct answer is want. Question number 3. I enjoy the movies. I enjoy dash movies. What is the correct answer? Watching. What is the correct answer? Watching. I enjoy watching movies. Question number 4. She is afraid dash spiders. What is the correct answer? With, of, or about? Think about it. Correct answer is of. Here's your next question. Question number 5. We need to talk dash the problem about, of, in. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is about. Next question. Question number 6. The cat ran dash the table, on, under, over. What is your correct answer? Our correct answer is under the table. Don't forget to subscribe. अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जाकर सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें, जिससे कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपको वीडियोस मिलें एजुकेशनल वीडियोस के लिए। और जो कंटेंट आपको चाहिए उसके लिए आप मुझे कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं, मैं डेफिनेटली वीडियो बनाऊंगी। He is better dash football than basketball at. Question number 8. She is the dash student in the class. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. So correct answer is, what is the correct answer? Most intelligent. Next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is this. He has been working dash morning. What is our correct answer? For, since, in. Then since morning. Next question. Question number 10. He is not only talented, also hardworking. What is the correct answer? But. What is the correct answer? But. Question number 11. The weather is too cold and dash swimming. What will your correct answer? For, to, or in? Correct answer is for. Question number 12. We should prepare dash the test. We should prepare dash the test. What will our correct answer? With, for, or of? Correct answer is for. Next question. Question number 13. Question number 13. I am tired dash waiting, from, of, or in. What will our correct answer? I am tired of waiting. Okay. Question number 14. They are dash friends of ours. A and some. There are some friends of ours. What is the correct answer? Some. Question number 15. The book is dash than the movie. Good, better, best. What will come here? What is our correct answer? Our correct answer is better. The book is better than the movie. Question number 16. He has been studying English dash 2 years since, for, or from. What will come here? Our correct answer is 4. He has been studying English for 2 years. Question number 17. She lives dash 25 Main Street. What will come here? In, on, or at? Our correct answer is at. Next question, question number 18. He is responsible dash the managing the team. What will come here? What is the correct answer? For, on, or in? Then answer is 4. Next question is 19. It depends dash his decision. It depends dash his decision. What will come here? On, off, and with. Our correct answer is it depends on his decision. Okay, next question, question number 20. The table is made dash wood. What will come here? From, off, or with? The table is made. Our correct answer is off. Next question, question number 21. There is no point dash arguing of, in, or at. What will come here? There is no point in arguing. Okay. Next question, question number 22. Question number 22. He apologized dash being late. For, to, or on. What will come here? What is our correct answer? Our correct answer is 4. He apologized for being late. Question number 23. The children were playing dash the garden, at, on, or in. What will come here? Our correct answer is in. The children were playing in the garden. Next question, question number 24. He jumped dash the river. Into, on, or at. Our correct answer is he jumped into the river. He jumped into the river. Question number 25. The teacher asked us dash the student question. To answer, answer, or answering. What will come here? What is the correct answer? Our correct answer is to answer. Question number 26. She is always dash early to work. Comes, coming, or come. What will come here? What is our correct answer? Comes, coming, or come. So what? She is always coming. Question number 27. He found the keys dash the sofa. On, under, in. What will come here? What is our correct answer? Our correct answer is he found the keys under the sofa. Our next question is 28. Question number 28. I have known him dash 10 years. What will come here? Since, for, or from? What is our correct answer? Our correct answer is I have known him for 10 years. Question number 29. Question number 29. They are famous dash their generosity. They are famous dash their generosity. What will come here and what is the correct answer? By, with, or for? Our correct answer is 4. Question number 30, it's a last question. I prepare tea dash coffee to, over or then. What will come here? What is our correct answer? Our correct answer is I prefer tea to coffee. Thanks for watching.